In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to export dashboards as PDFs, automatically have those exports sent to you on a weekly, monthly, whatever cadence basis that you like, and also use AI for the preparation of reports inside of monday.com. By the way, if you'd like us to help you set up monday.com for your business, check out the link in the description below. We would love to help. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm inside of my example monday.com system. Now, like I said, it's a very simple video today. All we want to do is take a dashboard that we already have built, prepared, use on a daily, weekly, monthly, hourly basis, whatever, and we want to export it to a PDF document so we can distribute it to the wider organization. Okay, so in this example here, I'm in Monday Sales CRM. This can be applied to pretty much anywhere inside of your Monday system. This works in work management, sales CRM, as far as I know, service and dev as well. So all you would need to do is go to your sales dashboard, and you can see here we've got a basic sales dashboard set up. There's just a few data points. Obviously the data points are going to be dependent on you. And then all you need to do is go to export, top right hand corner. Is really that simple. And if you just want to export the PDF document or export the dashboard as a PDF document, just as it is now, without it looking really weird and strange, all you need to do is just press export to PDF. Now you're going to get a couple of options here. First and foremost, preferred layout. I would probably recommend landscape, but portrait's fine either way. It doesn't go weird. The formatting doesn't change. Okay, so you can just do portrait or landscape. You can also split it into PDF into pages if you want to. So it'd be like page 1 and then page 2 as opposed to just one long PDF document. So you might look to do that. And then also you can zoom out. So 67% show as much as possible of the sales dashboard, 80%, obviously 80% or 100%. So it's just how it fits on the PDF. Is very self-explanatory. Then all you need to do is just press export, and then that's it. It'll probably take a moment or two, and then it will download to your computer. If I then just go ahead and open this up, you'll be able to see what the export looks like. That's literally it. It's a perfect replica, the date and time of the export of the dashboard that we have exported. It's got all of the information here. It's very, very helpful. So you can then distribute this internally, externally. You can send this to whoever. It's on your computer, downloaded to your computer for you to access and utilize as you so wish. Now, the next thing that we would probably look to do is export on a particular cadence. This is a very helpful feature if you need to, let's say you have a Monday morning sales meeting, which a lot of businesses do, and you want that sales report in your email inbox just before. You don't want to have to go to Monday. You don't want to have to go scrambling around. You just want the PDF document showing last week's performance, which is, let's say, last week's dashboard as an example, in your email inbox, ready for you to pull up so you can start praising and abusing your sales team as per their performance. I joke when I say that, but you get the idea, right? So all you would need to do is go to the drop down menu, top right hand corner again, and then just schedule PDF export. So it's really, again, very, very simple. So we choose who we would like to send it to. So any user inside of our monday.com system, the email address attached or associated with their user profile will receive this email. So in this case, I'm going to select myself. I'm just going to say weekly sales report. So this is obviously the subject line of the email. And then you can add a body as well if you want to. Again, probably not going to be necessary, especially if you're just sending it to yourself. And then you can select the cadence at which you would like to receive this email. So daily, if you want to receive one daily, you then have weekly. So let's go with my example, Monday between 9 and 10 a.m. Weird that you can't select any. Oh, you can do. Yeah, it's just a Monday thing. So let's say I want to receive it between 7 and 8 a.m. on a Monday every 1 week between, every 1 week. So if it's like every other week, if you're having sales meetings every other week, you change it to every 2 weeks. I'm just going to say every 1 week between 7 and 8, I want that report to be sent to my email. And also, let's just hypothetically say I want Alex to receive it as well. You could add all of your sales team in as well if you wanted to, make them excited for Monday morning. It's up to you, but you get the idea, right? If it's going to be monthly, you can select monthly. So if you want to do it at the start of the month, I don't think you can have multiple set up though. We'll test that in a minute. My thinking is I don't think you can have, let's say, one scheduled to go on a Tuesday or Monday every week, and then another one to come or be sent once a month, but to different people. We'll mess around with that in a moment. So settings all the same. And then we've got the PDF layout options that we had a moment ago. So portrait or landscape, split into pages, and then scale. That's it. That's all you need to do. And then all you need to do then is just press schedule. So now if I go to export, it will say edit scheduled report as opposed to create a scheduled report. The unfortunate thing about this though, however, is that obviously you can't have multiple scheduled emails. So let's say Monday for one group of people, blah, 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 blah. You get the idea, right? So you can only have one per dashboard, which is not the end of the world, but I mean, I can see why some people might find that slightly frustrating. But if you do then want to edit it, you can do, obviously change literally everything. And then also if you just want to delete it and you don't want to have the scheduled email anymore, you can just delete it as well. So that's exporting via PDF, scheduling. And just to be clear, the email that you will receive will contain the PDF document that we would have exported anyway. So the PDF document is attached. And then finally, we have AI. Now, AI generally, I think, you know, at the moment, this present moment in time, is back end of 2025. I think there's a bit of a bubble. But let's generate the report doc for AI. So we select this option. Essentially, Monday.com evaluates the data that's on the dashboard and then puts together a very, I would say generic, just a relatively simple breakdown, written breakdown of each of the data points that we have available on our dashboard here. So obviously all you need to do is just use drop down menu, generate report doc, and then just hit generate. It's going to create a new document on the board. So like a Monday doc on the left hand side, you can probably see it already, sales dashboard report dash 8/12/2025. So it generates a new document. And then this is pretty much all it does. It says, you know, it gives a breakdown. So that's the report. The average one deal value on this sales dashboard is $1.2 million US. I mean, where there's slightly more nuance here, like the number of new deals on the sales dashboard decreased by 50% from November 25 to December 25. So, you know, it just takes what's very obvious and puts some wording to it and reformats it slightly. Some businesses do this anyway, so, you know, this might legitimately be helpful. You can then obviously edit it, make changes to it, add things, remove things as you see fit, but essentially it just gives a document, sales dashboard report document for anyone to then go ahead and view. You know, you can create this, but if I then wanted to create another one, so I go export again, generate report doc, it's going to create another Monday doc on the left hand side here, or at least I would imagine it would, especially if you do it by day, for example. It might not because it's the same day, but I suspect it probably will. Yeah, it has done. So it would then create another Monday doc, and then you'd, I guess, maybe export that, put that into presentation mode. So I'd then close that down. Yeah, again, how useful this is, you can download a doc as a PDF, so you can export it as a PDF document if you wanted to. I'll leave this up to you to decide if that's of any value at all, but I really like being able to export the dashboard as a PDF, and especially the scheduled reports. That is unbelievably convenient. So that is, I'm just going to delete these because I don't need them. That is exporting reports, scheduling the export of reports or dashboards, and then using AI to evaluate and assess the reporting data that we have available to us. If you would like us to help you set up Monday.com for your business, we would absolutely love to help. All you need to do, click the link in the description of this video, book a call with me. We can have a chat about how we could potentially help. Either way, thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope it has been somewhat helpful, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.